So guys, my human has this thing he keeps in his house. I don't know what it's called, but it's the most amazing thing ever. Every time he comes home, he sits for hours making the sweetest sounds from it before hanging it back on the wall. I must admit, I really love the sounds it makes. They calm my nerves. Each day I stare at it, hoping it will make those sweet sounds for me, but it never does. I love the fact that it patiently waits there, hanging on the wall, and when my human steps into the house, it's like it screams to him, "Just hold me and I'll make sweet sounds for you." And my favorite part of the day is every moment my human plays it.